In this video, let's talk about the way that you can fix YouTube Shorts auto caption problem. If you're facing issues enabling auto caption on this video or any video that you're watching, what you need to make sure is that you head over to the settings panel and then tap on the captions option. Make sure that the auto generated captions is selected. Now, even after doing the step, you're still facing this issue. Then what you can try out is try to clear the data and cache of the YouTube app. So just tap and hold the app of YouTube and then head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You just need to tap on the clear cache option. Now, after still doing these couple of steps and you're still facing this issue, then what you can do is try to check if the YouTube Shorts captions is being enabled on the desktop version. So open up your laptop or your desktop and search for YouTube and see if the captions are playing. If they are playing completely fine and the issue is just with your mobile phone, then what you can also do is try to see if there are new updates available. Open up the Play Store or the App Store and then search for YouTube and check if there are new updates available. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. So by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube Shorts auto caption problem.